Viewers, getting you back-to-back breaking news. CID team reaches Bidar to begin the probe in the contractor Sachin Panchal's death case. CID team begins probe from today. Investigation led by Special Inquiry Division SP. And the investigation team has already reached Bidar. A team of 3 officials, including some of the officials are present. Top officials are present for that probe. CID team reaches Bidar. And this is the big update coming in right now, viewers, where we see that this entire story has really taken twists and turns. Now, remember, this is coming in as we see that the CID team has now reached Bidar. The family members have always said that justice should be served in this case. Back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV. Remember that this is Sachin Panchal, who died by suicide in Bidar, alleging harassment and demands of bribe by a former corporator. I want to go across to my colleague joining us. CID team reaching Bidar to begin probe in the contractor's death case. Sri Lakshmi, she's joining us from a Republic Canada newsroom. And now we know that this case, as the probe is beginning, we also know the kind of political ramifications that this case has had, with pressure being built on CM Siddaramaiah, where the BJP has said it's time that Priyank Kharge should put down his papers. Now, as that continues, the probe is also continuing. Go ahead, Sri Lakshmi, take our viewers through the latest.
A major allegation, Shivangi, against Priyank Kharge has come up regarding this Sachin Panchal suicide case, and after that, the police took around 3 days even to register an FIR against Raju Kapnur and team, who are said to be close associates of Priyank Kharge. And now, CM Siddaramaiah has given the probe to CID, succumbing to political pressure from the BJP. And today, CID team is visiting Bidar regarding this Sachin Panchal case to intensify the investigation. And SP Shubhanvita of Special Inquiry Team has also reached over there. And DYSP Sulaiman Tahshildar and 3 other officials have reached Bidar. Today they are going to visit Sachin Panchal's house to collect more information from his family members. And they're also going to do a merger of the places where Sachin used to live. Now, it is attracting interest from public that how this case will go ahead. But Chalwadi Narayan Swamy, BJP leader, is insisting that this case should be given to CBI instead of CID, since there's a link of some other gangs, hired killers are also there to this Raju Kapnur and gang. So the depth of the whole scam is so high, so huge. So BJP is insisting that this case should be handed over to CBI. Back to studio, Shivangi.